Hello everyone, this is Ubaid Ahmad Hashimi from MTA Master Technology Academy. I'm at your service. Let's start today's lesson. Today we're going to talk about CPU, which stands for Central Processing Unit. And this CPU is the main memory or the main chipset on a main board, and also we can call that the brain of our machine. And there are two companies who are providing CPU in today's technology they are working. One of them is Intel and the next one is AMD. And while it comes to the session market and then different types of computers are available there. For example, we have desktop computers, and if you just explain this one a little bit, let me just explain this one for you guys. This one is the first one is desktop, and this kind of computer, desktop computers, which is available nowadays in two companies or famous companies in the world. One of them is AMD, and the next one is Intel. Intel and AMD, these are the famous companies in the world. But they're producing or releasing every year processor for computers, different types of computer. This kind of computer is used Core i3, 5, or 7 or 9. I mean, Intel produced Core i3, 5, 7, and 9 for desktop computers, and at the same time AMD produced for by the name of A series Pro Ryzen Threadripper. And in the meanwhile, we have the different type. Next types of desktop is the Badger desktop, which is called home theater machine, and this kind of machine is used for this computer, which is used for this home theater, and they cannot load a lot of, they cannot overcome a lot of problems, and they're not used for higher. They cannot handle the a lot of problem, but they're using for a basic operation. For example, Pentium and Celeron is the name of the processor there, which belongs to Intel, and this one is Intel is producing Pentium and Celeron for Badger desktop. And the meanwhile, we have AMD, and AMD they're just producing by the name of Sempron, Athlon, FX series, and S series. And also we have portable, or you can see while it comes to portable and mainly mobile. And here we are just talking there and mean that laptop machines. Laptop machines. These are all machines which is called portable machines. And nowadays there are a lot of laptop computers are available in them every year. Intel is producing for portable mobile devices. For example, there's Core i3 and 5 or 7, and nowadays there's Core i9 available for laptop computers, and we can have it. And we have Core M. M stands for mobile and portable, and we can just use this kind of processor on a laptop computers. And we have Altum processors. This processor is used for those small, tiny laptops. Which is just used for watching movies and basic operation. And also we have AMD, and AMD is just producing for this kind of for portable or laptop computers by the name of Ryzen and Air series. These are the series which belongs to AMD company. And we have server. Server machine is a machine which is giving services for clients. This kind of machine is this machine is a massive and powerful machine, and this machine must have a strong power processor, which is called their Intel is producing or releasing by the name of Xeon for server computer. And while it comes to the AMD, before it was the Opteron, and nowadays they are not just working Opteron, releasing or protecting Opteron, and they are just producing EPYC, which is the new types of processor for server machines. And this kind of processors are very strong and very it can handle a lot of process. And also if it comes to the workstation machine, and Intel is releasing by the name of Xeon for this kind of computer, and also AMD is producing Ryzen Pro and Ryzen Threadripper. And these are all the kind of processor which is used for we can use it in a daily basis. We have workstation, we have server machine, we have laptops, and we have desktops. These are all the famous types of processor in today's technology. And this was today's lesson. I hope that you catch from something from it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and never miss the single lessons I'm just uploading to my channel. Thank you very much. I will see you next time. Bye bye.